Hello, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up OBS Studio. As you can see, I'm on version 16.4 on Windows, but this tutorial should work on all devices and versions. So first things first, check the volume. If you have a microphone, it should be reading sounds, and if you have music playing on your device, it should read the sounds as well. So as you can see, when you open OBS, the screen is black, because there is no input, so I'll show you how you can change that to record your screen. So what you need to do is right click on the first box on the left and select add, then add scene, then you can name it. Then, on the second box, right click on it, hit add, and try locate display capture, and select create new, then select which monitor you want to record. Here I have two monitors, so I can select between the two. After you have selected, hit OK. Now, as you can see, it's already recording the screen. If that's what you came here for, you can now exit the video, but if you want to set it up properly, continue the video. Now go to settings, located above exit, on the bottom right of the app. Alright, here, we have the general settings, like language, but it's useless, so let's go to stream. Here, we can now add a streaming service, like YouTube or Twitch. If you would like to use it, please refer to other videos for a detailed tutorial. Now, we can go to output. Here, we can determine the detailed settings for recording, as well as the output path for the recordings. And just set your recording quality to same as stream. And also set your video bitrate above or at 2500, or else your video will look crappy, and use X264 as your encoder. Also just leave the audio bitrate alone. And if you are recording, be sure to change recording format to MP4, because the default output is unreadable by most video editors. Now if we go to audio, the default settings are already good, so go to video settings. Here, you can change the output quality, like, you could shrink it, or keep it as what it is. For the downscale filter, just ignore the fancy settings. You can also change the frame rate for your recordings. 30 is optimal, but if your computer can handle it, crank it up to 60. Now, here we have shortcuts. To add one, just select on a box and press on the buttons for the shortcut, and if you want to remove it, just hit clear. Now, if you go to advanced, you can just leave all the settings here. They are fine, just the way they are. Then hit OK to apply all the settings. Now, if you want to start recording, just hit start recording, and if you want to stop, hit stop recording. And one last thing you could do is in scene transition, change it from the default fade and change it to cut. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like and subscribe, and also check out my other videos, and check out my other channels on screen now.